Hello and welcome to an all-new edition of Petra's 3 and 3. I'm Patrick Billings, here with the latest from the world of consumer electronics. It looks like a major change may be in store for smartphone technology. According to a report from the Financial Times, Apple and Samsung are in advanced talks with telecom groups to introduce electronic SIM cards into their products. It's a move that would allow smartphone and tablet users to switch from one wireless carrier to another without having to physically change out their cards, which have traditionally been small pieces of plastic associated with a specific carrier. But don't expect to throw away your old SIM cards just yet. The change is not expected to take effect until 2016, when industry analysts speculate the iPhone 7 will possibly become the first phone to boast the eSIM card. And speaking of the latest and greatest electronic gadgets, a recent survey commissioned by Best Buy after the rollout of their wedding registry shows that consumer demand may be coming from an unexpected place: brides and grooms-to-be. According to the survey, a solid majority of couples married within the last 5 years think that electronics make good gifts for a wedding, with more than 3/4 saying they would prefer to register for an Ultra HD TV than a more traditional gift like a formal place setting. Meanwhile, 75% of couples married 20 years ago or more said they regretted not asking for technology such as TVs, cameras, and tablets. Other businesses that allow couples to register for electronics include Target and Amazon. But consumers in later stages of life also have room for electronics. A recent study by the AARP suggests significant benefits for people over 50 who use wearable devices. 71% of participants in a 6-week trial reported better health habits, including increased awareness of activity and sleep, as well as better eating. 2/3 said the activity and sleep tracker was beneficial, and nearly half reported increased motivation. But there is still room for improvement when it comes to wearables and the over 50 market. Jody Holtzman, Senior VP of Thought Leadership with the AARP, says that trackers can and should be easier to set up, maintain, and understand. In order to accomplish that goal, the study suggests improved instructions, greater comfort, and additional sensors related to health-specific conditions. This has been Patrick Billings. Please join me next week for another installment of Petra's 3 and 3.